Now, as summer heats up, concerns are also growing about a broader potential threat this mosquito season. NBC's Priya Sridhar has the very latest on efforts to contain the virus.
I had the citronella candles, but that wasn't enough.
Victoria Martinez's husband, James, hospitalized with a severe form of West Nile virus after the couple hosted an anniversary barbecue in their backyard.
And I thought, that's weird. He had a bunch of little bites.
Saying he started feeling sick almost immediately and to the hospital, eventually getting a fever. Not even him.
When I first came to the hospital to see him, I was like, it's my brother.
As the summer heats up, doctors and public health officials warning conditions are ripe for mosquitoes.
We're seeing an uptick in cases in West Nile virus, including, unfortunately, related illnesses, hospitalizations, and the recent deaths. We've had rains that are unprecedented and a lot higher temperatures. So it's like a perfect melting pot for these viruses to thrive.
There have been more than 50 reported cases of the virus this year across the country, according to the Centers for Disease Control and local health departments. Philadelphia announcing today it had detected mosquitoes Nile in a city park, immediately jumping into action and doubling down on mosquito spraying.
Activity will get ramped up in general. This has been the same for the past several years because once we find that first positive case of mosquito that has West Nile virus, we know there's going to be more.
Only about 20% of people infected will experience symptoms, according to the CDC. So if you've been bitten by an infected mosquito, doctors say keep an eye out for these symptoms.
If you have a sudden onset of the worst headache of your life, if you have a stiff neck that is completely out of proportion to the activity you've been doing, and if you're experiencing fevers that you can't reduce with fever-reducing medication, get to a doctor as quickly as possible.
Priya Sridhar, NBC News.
We're in late July.